Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating future of our galaxy, the Milky Way, and its cosmic neighbor, Andromeda. For years, scientists have been curious about what will happen when these two colossal galaxies eventually meet. Will they collide? Or could they somehow pass by each other without a scratch? Back in 2012, observations from the Hubble Space Telescope revealed that Andromeda is heading straight towards the Milky Way, suggesting a potential collision in about 4 billion years. However, newer studies have offered different insights, some hinting that a collision might be avoided or delayed for billions of years. The latest research suggests a 50-50 chance, making it as uncertain as flipping a coin. If Andromeda and the Milky Way do collide, the meeting will occur at a speed of roughly 1 million kilometers per hour. While this sounds incredibly fast by earthly standards, in cosmic terms, it's quite slow. Given their immense sizes, the merging process could take hundreds of millions of years, with its effects lingering for billions more. Andromeda holds a mass about 1.5 trillion times that of the Sun, while our Milky Way is around 800 billion times the Sun's mass. This means their gravitational attraction is massive, yet their sheer size adds complexity to the gravitational effects. As the galaxies draw near, gravitational forces will create tidal tails of stars and gases, a result of differing gravitational pulls on various parts of the galaxies. Though they might pass through each other without immediate damage, gravity will pull them back together in a series of collisions, potentially resulting in a merger. The chance of stars colliding is slim due to the vast distances between them, but this chance increases in the densely packed centers of both galaxies. Such star collisions would create a stunning celestial fireworks display. Additionally, dust and gas, the building blocks of stars, could interact during the collision, sparking a burst of new star formation. This activity could have negative impacts on any nearby planets. While the potential collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda seems distant, it gives us a glimpse into the future of our galaxy. As cosmic research advances, we continue to watch the universe, aiming to better understand what lies ahead for our galaxy and the cosmos as a whole. Don't forget to subscribe to Science Hub for more exciting science content.